Hello, my name is William Gregory, and this Sunday, November 23rd at Unity Spiritual Community of Central Oregon, we're going to have a service all about Thanksgiving and gratitude. As many of us have noticed, gratitude has become a thing. It's a big deal. In the recovery community, in the New Thought community, in the self-help community, gratitude has become a big thing, and that's simply because it works. It works as a way of life, as a tool for being happy. And what's borne witness in my life as I've practiced gratitude diligently, it's become a super secret ninja Jedi power that allows me to rewrite my subconscious mind, rewrite the way my mind works. It affects my perception of reality and myself in a way that is positive and fulfilling, and something that I highly recommend. So please join me and the Unity Spiritual Community this Sunday, November 23rd, and it'll be an honor to see you there, and so it is.